Hey guys, welcome to Rafael Math Room. Today we'll solve this Harvard University entrance admission test question 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equal 148. Then what's the value of a, b, c? So here we use like generally two types of formula for the solution. First one will be elimination method and second one will be subtraction formula with equation of quadratic. So here at first, if you look, we take common from this equation and try to rearrange the all sector. So after taking common 2 to the power a in the left side, then we'll get here 1 plus 2 to the power b divided by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power a is equal 148. All right, this is correct. So we can break down 148 here divided by 2, then we'll get the value of 74. After dividing by 2, we'll get the value of 37. So we can write 148 as 2 times 2 times 37. So here we can write 2 to the power a bracket 1 plus 2 to the power b divided by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power a bracket is equal 2 square, because 2 times 2 is equal to 2 square and times 37. So if you carefully look here, this 2 to the power a is a even number. All right, and 1 plus 2 to the power b, this is the odd equation, and 2 to the power square is an even equation, and 37 is the odd number. Am I right? Yes, absolutely. So here we can take the even numbers are equal in the left side and odd number equal in the right side. Then we'll get 2 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power square, and 1 plus 2 to the power b divided by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power a is equal 37. All right, so here the bases are same, so we can write the power equal. So the value of a is 2. So guys, we get our first value in here, which is the value of a is equal to. So now we can write here 2 to the power b divided by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power a is equal 37 minus 1 equal 36. After 2, that we can write 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power a is equal 37. So now 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal 36 times 2 to the power a. All right. After that, we can easily write 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c is equal 4 times 9 equal 36 times 2 to the power a. So here we can write 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equal 4 and 9, 4 times 9, and we can replace there the value of a is equal to from here. All right, after that the equation will be look like 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equal this 4 times 4 will be 4 square equal 9. So here we can write another exponential equation like here 2 to the power b, we can common take, then plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power b bracket equal 4 square times 9. So this is a odd number and this is a even, and also this is the odd and this is the even number. All right, so we can take like in this right side 2 to the power b is equal to 4 square. So 2 to the power b is equal to 2 to square square. So the value of 2 to the power b will be equal to 2 to the power 4. So from here we can get our second solution, the value of b equal 4. All right, after that simplifying, we can easily write here the value 1 plus 2 to the power c divided by 2 to the power b equal 9. So 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equal 9. Then 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c will be 9 times 2 to the power b. So here we just replace the value of b. We get the value equal 4 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power c is equal 9 times 2 to the power 4. The value of b equal 4. So after that we'll take it a simple equation, then we'll get the value is equal to 9 like 144. So this is 2 to the power c 144 minus 2 to the power 4 equals 16. So 2 to the power c is equal to 128. So 2 to the power c is equal 102 to the power 7. So the value of c equal 4. So guys, we get our three equation value. The a comma b comma c is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 7. This is our final answer. So now we have to test this value is actually correct or not. So after testing this, we'll write the equation given 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b 2 to the power c equal 148. So we have to replace the value of a equal 2 to the power 2 plus the value of b equal to the power 4 plus the value of c equal to the power 7 equal 148. So 2 square will be 4 plus 2 to the power 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So it will be like 16. Am I right? 16. And 2 to the power 7 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equal 148 148. So 148 equal 148. So this is our correct answer. The value of a b c of the equation is correct. Thank you.